What's up, guys? So today I wanted to share with you really quickly a stock that I am looking to possibly buy as a swing trade or even a long-term investment. Me personally, I have two separate stock market accounts where one, I purchase stocks to swing trade. So I may hold the stock for a month, 2 months, 6 months, maybe even a year out. And then in my other account, I only do long-term investing, so I will not sell a stock by any means unless obviously something fundamentally changes within that company. I will not sell the stock anything less than a year span out for tax purposes, but I'll probably be holding the stock for maybe 5, 10, maybe even 20 years out, right? In my more investment account. All right. So depending on what type of person you are, if you're a swing trader or a long-term investor, or doing a little bit of both like how I do, then this I think is a great investment right here. So um, what we're looking at here is Zillow, ticker symbol Z, right? And starting off on the daily chart from a technical analysis. Now, I won't get all into the fundamental analysis because I'm not a big fundamental type of, know-it-all type of person. I have friends and other people who I follow that are good reputable sources to follow when it comes to fundamental analysis, and all of them would agree that this stock does have good fund. I've ran it through them, and they've all said that this stock does have Zillow company does have good fundamentals. So, like I said, I won't get all into that because that's not who I am. I'm a technical analysis type of person. So, uh, looking at it from the daily chart, obviously we have a good, beautiful looking uptrend, and due to last week's whole commotion about trade wars and stuff like that, most pretty much just about any stock out there, as you can see, many of pretty much all the stocks that's on my watch list are down from Friday's close. So, including Zillow. So I'm going to go actually a little even more further out to a weekly chart, and that's when we're really going to see exactly where I'm looking to buy and looking to sell on this position. Or really, we're just going to talk about places I'm looking to buy. I'm not going to talk about where I'm planning on selling the stock, but uh, yeah, looking at this on a weekly chart, as you can see, we have I mean, I don't know if I've seen a more beautiful uptrend in a stock than I'm seeing currently on this one. But as you can see, we have a starting point, initial structure high. We have our outside return, and I'm going to draw it out to there. Okay, there we go. And we have new structure high, followed by an outside return, and followed by a new structure high. This is not how I meant for that to do. Let's see. Come on down. There we go. I got my charts currently set up to where it like snaps it to the nearest low point or whatever, wherever you got it drawn at and stuff. I need to undo that. But anyway, moving on. Okay, so yeah, currently at the new structure high, and we are coming down from those highs. So what I'm looking at right now is how low can this go, and what point do I become a buyer? So the way I typically trade, this is the same way I do trading in Forex as well. So that's one reason why I wanted to share this with you guys, because it's a great trading opportunity here as well. So as you can see, taking our previous structure high to previous outside return, we have our zone where we be looking to for price to come down and potentially put in an outside return and follow it up with a new structure high. All right, so let's remove that. All right, so at what point am I going to want to be a buyer on this? Well, if you can hold on, sorry, I'm trying to get rid of this. All right, if you take a look at this chart, as you can see, when we put in our initial structure high and then our outside return and our new structure high, where did price come back down to? It came down and retested the previous highs and then took off, creating a new structure high. So I would look for the same similar scenario to happen here. I would first look for a retest of previous structure high. So actually, I am going to put a alert right there at 51.20. So price comes down to 51.20, I'll get an alert, get a text message coming to my phone letting me know that, hey, price Zillow's price is currently at a retest of previous structure high. You may want to be looking to buy, which I'm actually going to buy. Like, not even going to be a maybe. I'm going to buy this stock if it comes down and retests the previous structure high. Now, me personally, I don't go all in at first. So say if I want to invest in $1,000 into Zillow stock, I will put maybe half of that or close to half of my full amount that I want to invest in it at this level, but I won't go all in just yet. Now, where would I look? So let's say, okay, price comes down here and I put in half of my initial uh, amount that I want to have fully invested in here. Where would I put the second amount? Well, me, I'm a Fibonacci based trader. I know not everybody believes in the whole Fibonacci thing, but it works for me, you know. But if we throw on our fib, you can see that our 382 lines up so almost perfectly with our previous structure high, which is nuts. Okay, so that is exactly why I am definitely looking to buy this if we get a retest of previous structure high, because it will be a retest of previous structure high and a 382 retracement, which you guys know, if you guys know, a test of the 382, if it holds at 382, that signifies a strong trend for Fibonacci trading. So anyway, going back to where am I looking to put my second amount in. Now, I would say the 50%, but the 50% is just a strong psychological level. It's not a Fibonacci level. But so I'm not going to really pay too much attention to the 50%, but where I would put my second, my other half of my full amount that I want to have invested into this stock, it would be the 618, which would be at around about $46. So if we can get a test of previous structure high, I'm putting in half of my initial position, and if we get a test of the 618, I'll put the other half in. And obviously, if price breaks below here, then now we have a violation of trend, and I won't get all into all of that, in this video. I just simply wanted to share with you guys a potential uh, good, long-term investment that, you guys can keep an eye out for. So, um, that's all I have for today. If you like the video, make sure leave a thumbs up, comment down below, share, or do all three, whatever. Any of those things just really help me to feel better about what it is that I'm doing. I'm like, if somebody comments and they're like, man, that was a real good analysis. I liked it, appreciate it. That makes me want to do it even more. So like I said, guys, if you like the video, please leave a thumbs up. I'd much appreciate it. But as I said, that's all I got for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.